Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Dovenmuehle mortgage account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in dovenmuehle.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Dovenmuehle. You'll be able to find various options in this interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for borrowers. Simply click on it. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you'll also be able to find the option for register over here. Simply click on it. After that, you'll be able to register for your account. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, you'll be able to do it by providing your username and password. So click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forget username, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, if you've forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter your username and password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Dovenmuehle mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.